Today I'm going to make some vegan Snickerdoodle cookies. We're going to start out over here. I have a 1/4 cup of sugar. I'm going to take a tablespoon of cinnamon. Go ahead and mix that up and we'll set that aside. That's what we're going to dip the cookies in once I have them all mixed up and ready to go. And then over here, we're going to take, I have coconut oil. It is kind of, it's not melted, but it's soft. You don't want it totally melted, but you don't want it real hard either. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in, and that's a 1/4 cup of that. And then next, in here I have 3 tablespoons of aquafaba. If you don't know what that is the liquid that comes from chickpeas. So either canned, or if you are soaking them and making them yourself, it's when you're cooking them, it's what you get off of the beans. And then next in here, I'm going to go ahead and put in 2 tablespoons of pure maple syrup. And then to that, I'm going to go ahead and add in 1/3 cup of sugar. And then we're just going to take a whisk and we're going to get this all mixed up. I'm also going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract to this. And then continue mixing. Once it's mixed together pretty good, we're going to start adding in our dry ingredients. So we have 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Go ahead and take this out. I'm going to switch to a spoon. And then we need to get baking soda. And let me see what I need here. We need, where's my 1/4 teaspoon? Sorry, I can't read these over here. You need a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And then I need some salt in here. And we're putting in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then cream of tartar. I had my daughter send me some because I couldn't find any in the store. You want 3/4 of a teaspoon. So this is a half. And then that's 3/4. And then you're going to need a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm just going to take the spoon and kind of mix it all up. You don't want to over mix this at all. You just want to get it so it's all combined, that there's no loose flour in there. You can see how it's starting to come together. Just scrape the sides down here. I guess I should have mentioned too, you should have your oven preheated to 375 for this. Okay, so that looks good. So we're going to just go ahead now. We're going to take it, take my ring off so I don't have it all stuck in my ring. And you just want to make little balls. You don't want to get them too big. So just make this out of the way. And then you're just going to dip it down in here and roll them. And then just put it on. I put parchment paper down to make it easier for cleanup. If you don't have parchment paper, you can just go ahead and spray it just a little bit with a cooking spray. Or if you have the Silpat baking trays, you can use those as well. You get them rolled out, you just After you get them all rolled and put into the cinnamon sugar, you just want to take a fork and lightly press into them. And then I typically go back and sprinkle just a little bit more of the cinnamon sugar on the top. And then they'll go into the oven for about 9 to 10 minutes. Okay, this is going into the oven, 375 for 9 to 10 minutes on that. Okay, and when they're done, I'm going to go ahead and pull them out of the oven. Then I'm going to let them sit and cool for a couple minutes before I take them off there and do my next batch. Smells so good in here.
Yes, it does.